Welcome back everyone to the channel. Today we return with another exciting video, and this time we're exploring a brand new VPN app that can give you a fast, stable and secure internet connection while you browse. This app is already available on the Google Play Store, and by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to set it up. But before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment whenever something is unclear so you never miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, the home of all Android apps. In the search bar, type the name of the SSP Tunnel VPN. When the results appear, look carefully and choose the correct app. Pay attention to the name and the icon, it's important you pick the right one. Once you've found it, tap on it. Now go ahead and hit the install button. When the installation finishes, tap open to launch the app. But before we dive inside, remember, on this channel, we always share apps that help you stay connected securely while browsing online. Now let's open it. Once you reach the home screen, a few simple but important settings are needed to unlock the full performance of this VPN. First, tap the three lines at the top. From the menu, select Update Resources. This refreshes the app's internal files so you get the best service possible. Next, it's time to choose a server. Tap the server box and select a server that works best in your area. For this video, I'll choose this one right here. Now, the next step is the country network name. Tap on the network box and in the search bar, type UDP. From the list of options, choose All Network UDP. This one works across all countries and offers strong compatibility. However, if UDP doesn't connect in your region, you can select a network name designed for your specific country from the list. Moving on, if you ever run out of time while using this VPN, you can extend your usage by tapping the time extension button. This lets you continue using the connection without interruption. And now, the final step. To initiate the connection, simply tap the start button. Just like that, connected successfully. And that's how you set up SSP Tunnel VPN and get a stable, secure connection. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.